Just a quick unboxing. I received what could this be? Oh, a letter of authenticity. Fancy. It's signed. Forces of Nature wand. Ooh. Let's see if it's taped. Go. Here it is. It's got a quartz crystal on the tip. Oh, but just so I can focus on it. Anyway, quartz crystal on the tip. It's round with gold wire. Goes down to the bottom are two neodymium magnets. Then a plastic for handle. Very powerful wand. Let's see what happens with it. It's an interesting little wand for magic work. So what do you think? Maybe my manifestations get stronger. Maybe I should just take the credit card away from myself. What's next?